The Scott family is trying to save as much money as possible. One way to cut back on the money they spend is by finding deals while grocery shopping. However, the Scott family needs to determine which stores have the better deals. Number 1. At Grocery Mart, strawberries cost $2.99 for 2 pounds. At Baldwin Hill Market, strawberries are $3.99 for 3 pounds. What is the unit price of the strawberries at each grocery store? Remember, we do the cost per item. So we're going to take the cost and divide it by how much you get. Two goes into 2 one time. Bring down the 9. 2 goes into 9 4 times. So then we have 19. And 2 goes into 19 9 times. And then we can bring down a 0. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. Over here, 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And 3 goes into 9 3 times with no leftovers. So, which unit price is better? Would you rather spend almost $1.50 or $1.33? Which one is cheaper? Baldwin Hill Actually, I'm putting that in the wrong spot. If the Scott family wanted to save money, where should they go to buy strawberries? Baldwin Hill. Because $1.33 is less than $1.50. That's rounding it to the nearest penny. The 5 makes the 9 go up. So we have, instead of 49, it goes up to 50. Number 2. Potatoes are on sale at both Grocery Mart and Baldwin Hill. At Grocery Mart, a 5-pound bag of potatoes costs $2.85, and at Baldwin Hills Market, a 7-pound bag costs $4.20. Which store offers the best deal on the potatoes? How do you know? How much better is the deal? So, again, we want the cost per amount. And same thing for the other grocery store. So 5 doesn't go into 2, but it does go into 28 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 28 minus 25 is 3. Bring down the 5. 5 goes into 35 7 times with no leftover. 7 can't go into 4, but it can go into 42, and it goes in exactly 6 times. So then we use that last place value, so 60 cents versus 57 cents. It says, which store offers the better deal? This time, Grocery Mart has the better deal. Because 57 cents is less than 60 cents. And then it says, how much better is the deal? So how much do you save? You save 3 cents on a pound of potatoes. Each pound.